A neutral liquid, like pure water, has a pH of 7. An acid is a molecule or ion capable of donating a hydrogen ion when dissolved in water, whereas a base will produce hydroxide ions. When an acid and a base are added together, they combine to make water and a salt. Humans are releasing vast quantities of CO2 into the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels. As well as contributing to climate change, this is also causing ocean acidification. The ocean is the largest carbon sink on Earth. As CO2 levels rise in the atmosphere, more dissolves into the ocean, which threatens marine life. Carbon dioxide reacts with water to make carbonic acid, which then dissociates into carbonate and hydrogen ions. For every carbonate ion that is produced, there are 2 hydrogen ions. Animals like corals, mollusks, and crabs rely on calcium carbonate to build strong shells and skeletons, but now have to compete with more and more hydrogen ions, which react with the carbonate, meaning animals are having to work harder to grow and repair and end up being weaker and smaller. Thankfully, the ocean can recover, but only if the concentration of CO2 reduces.